Hi there, I'm Mark. As your vehicle ages, it's important to do more than just routine scheduled maintenance. Give me 30 seconds to explain. Take engine coolant, for example. Now, replacing it is incredibly important as it not only cools your engine, it also helps protect against corrosion. An annual coolant inspection is a great way to monitor your coolant system's health. However, after 5 years, 240,000 kilometers or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, we'll inspect all components for wear and the fluid has to be replaced. Now, we recommend Dex-Cool engine coolant. It's a long-life coolant designed so it doesn't have to be replaced as frequently as some others on the market. That's 30 seconds of certified service.